@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Chapter 4 Vacation with My Nani Maa. Let's start Chapter 4 Vacation with My Nani Maa. Chirag and Nandini love their Nani Maa. She is their best friend. They love playing and learning with her. Listening to her stories is their favorite activity. Nani Maa shows them a magic trick. You hide some marbles with your handkerchief. I shall tell you the number of marbles you have hidden. You can see some marbles are here on the table. After hiding it with a handkerchief, Nani Maa said, "You have 4 under your handkerchief." Can you tell what the trick is? Suppose there are 10 marbles in total and 6 marbles are visible. That means if you remove 6 from 10 marbles, that means you remove 6 marbles from 10 marbles. These are 10 marbles. If you remove 6 marbles from 10 marbles, you will get 4. Let us do. Perform the trick with your friends. Write the numbers of hidden seeds in the table below. Total seeds 15. Seeds on the table 12. That means there are 15 seeds in total and only 12 are visible. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 3 marbles are hidden or 3 seeds are hidden in this case. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. That means hidden seeds is equal to 3. Similarly, there are 17 marbles or seeds in total and 12 seeds are visible on the table. That means 7 are hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And you have to cut 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 4 here and 3 here. 7 seeds are hidden. Similarly, 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Total seeds is equal to 20. Seeds on the table is equal to 9. Hidden seeds is equal to 11. Similarly, total seeds 23. Seeds on the table 7. That means 16 seeds are hidden. 27 seeds minus 12 seeds is equal to 15 seeds. Teacher's note. Say a number between 1 and 9. The child has to quickly say the number which makes it 9. Repeat this task with other numbers like 10 and 20. For example, if teacher says 5, then student have to say 4. That means 5 and 4 becomes 9. If teacher says 2, then student have to say 7 so that it becomes 9. This activity could be repeated for numbers like 10 and 20. For 10, if teacher says 1, then children have to say 9 so that after adding these two it becomes 10. If teacher says 5, then children have to say 5 so that it becomes 10. If teacher says 6, student have to say 4, then it becomes 10. Similarly for 20, if teacher says 11, then student have to say 9 so that it becomes 20. If teacher says 15, student have to say 5 so that it becomes 20. If teacher says 2, student have to say 18 so that it becomes 20. Both of them have brought a lot of things for their Nani Maa. We got your favorite sweet, said Nandini. I know you love to read, Nani Maa, So we got some magazines for you, said Chirag. Nandini takes out Nani Maa's favorite sweet Balushahi. Chirag says, I too got Balushahi for you. Nandini had 7 Balushahi in her box and Chirag had 5 Balushahi in his box. How many do we have in total? Says Nani Maa. 7 Balushahi and 5 Balushahi is equal to dash Balushahi. Draw the number of dots here. 7 Balushahi, 5 Balushahi is equal to dash Balushahi. Let's count. 7 here after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 12 Balushahi is here. You can do in another way. You can move 3 Balushahi in the first tray or first box of Nandini's. That means 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 from Nandini and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 from Chirag. That means 10 and 2. That becomes 12. So in total there are 12 Balushahi. We bought the same number of Balushahi from the shop. Did you eat some of them? Nandini asked to Chirag. Ha ha ha, I did eat some. How many did he eat? Dash number of Balushahi. Actually, there are 7 Balushahi present with Nandini and Chirag, but after eating, only 5 Balushahi are left. That means Chirag ate 2 Balushahi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after eating 5 are left. That means these are left. That means 2 have been eaten by Chirag. Okay. 7 Balushahi minus 5 Balushahi is equal to 2 Balushahi. Chirag got 9 story books for Nani Maa and Nandini got 7 puzzle books for Nani Maa. How many total books did the children get for Nani Maa? So many books for me, says Nani Maa. You can see 9 story books here, shown by dots, and 7 shown by dots. That means 9 books and 7 books is equal to dash number of books. Let's count. You can move 1 from here to here, that it makes 10 and it becomes 6. That means 10 and 6 is equal to 16. You can do just by counting after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let us do. Use the tens frame to solve the following. 1, 6 plus 8, that means 6 here, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 10 and 4 is equal to 14. 5 and 10, that means 5 and 10 is equal to 15. 3, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That means for to do this, we have to make 9 dots here, and after drawing 9 dots, you have to remove 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you have to remove 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 remains. That means 3 is the answer. Similarly, for doing fourth one, that is 18 minus 9, you have to draw 18 dots and just remove 9 dots. You will get 9 dots. Let us play card game. Make 4 sets of number cards with numbers from 1 to 10. Shuffle and spread out all cards facing down. Take turns with your friends to open one card at a time. When you open, look at your card and the card already opened. If any 3 cards make an addition or subtraction statement, you can keep all 3 cards, else put it down opened. For example, Nandini opens 4, the numbers 2 and 6 are already present opened. So Nandini can keep all 3 cards 2, 4 and 6. The game continues till all cards are opened. Whoever collects the greatest number of cards wins the game. Nandini and Chirag have got their stamps to show to their friends and Nani Maa. Look Nani Maa, we have collected 15 stamps. Let me give you some more. There are 7 more. How many stamps do they have now? Nandini, Chirag and Nani Maa figured out the answer in 3 different ways using their Ginladi. They already have 15 stamps and Nani Maa gave 7. That means you have to move 7 in forward direction in the Ginladi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Similarly, you can move 7 by splitting 7 in 5 and 2. 15 plus 5, 20 and 2, that is 22. Here is another way. You have to add 7 to 15. That means for adding 7, you can first add 10, then subtract 3. That means 15 plus 10, that is 25, minus 3 is equal to 22. Here it has been done on the Ginladi. 15 plus 10, 25, and you have to move 3 backward. You will get 22. 15 stamps and 7 stamps is equal to 22 stamps, or 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Let us do. Nandini and Chirag have 22 stamps. Nani Maa's brother gives them his collection of 30 stamps. How many stamps do they have now? 22 stamps and 30 stamps will give you 52 stamps. You can do that on this Ginladi. Or 22 plus 30 is equal to 52. They now have 52 stamps. Nandini and Chirag count and find that they have 37 stamps with faces of famous persons and the remaining with the picture of monuments. How many stamps with the picture of monuments do they have? That means there are 52 stamps in total and 37 are having faces of famous persons. That means 52 minus 37. 52 minus 37 means you have to move in backward from 52 to 37. If you do that, you will get minus 10, minus 2 and minus 3. That means you have to move 2 in backward, then 10. If you move 2 from 52 in backward direction, you will get 15, 50 and 10. Again in backward direction you will get 40 and 3 in backward only. That means 37. You will get 37, but how much you have moved in backward direction? Minus 2 and 10, minus 12 and minus 3, that is minus 15. 2, 10, 12, that is 2 plus 10 plus 3. 2 and 10 makes 12 and 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. You have to move 15 backward. So 52 minus 37 is equal to 15. I can do it this way, Nandini says. They have 15 stamps with picture of monuments. Can you find other way of doing it? 52 stamps minus 37 stamps is equal to 15 stamps. You can do that on this Ginladi. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, 10, 50 and 2, 52. And you have to move 37 to 37. That means you have to move here. You can do that by moving again 10 minus 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, minus 5. That means you can move 10 in one go and another 5 in on one go in backward direction. That means you have moved 15 in backward direction. That means 52 minus 37 is equal to 15 stamps. Or you can add and check. If you add 37, if you move 15 from 37 in forward direction, you will get 52. Okay, if you move from here to here in forward, 37 plus 15, you will get 52. For example, 37 is here, this is 37, then you have to move 10 here and then 3 and 2, plus 10 plus 3 and plus 2 to get 52. That means 37 stamps plus 15 stamps gives 52, or 32 plus 15 is equal to 52. Chirag says, Nani Maa, we have 52 stamps now. Nandini says, next time when we come, we will have 75 stamps. How many more stamps will they need? Figure it out using the number line. Nandini says, they will have 75 stamps in total in next time. That means you have to move from 52 to 75. Then how much you have to add? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 2 here, and 75 is here. That 60, 70 and 5. That means 52 to here 62, then 72, and then 1, 2 and 3. That is 10 plus 10 plus 3. That is 23. 52 plus 23 makes 75 stamps. Okay. That means 52, or 52 plus 23 is equal to 75. Teacher's note: different strategies of jumping on the number line for solving the problems should be increased throughout the chapter. Revise skip counting for small numbers in the class. Let us do 1. Solve using Iginladi. A. 34 plus 6. If you solve that, you will get 40. B. 23 plus 12. You will get 35. C. 33 minus 5. That means 28. D. 42 minus 15. That is 27. 2. A frog is jumping on the Ginladi. He is at 7. He wants to jump 10 beads at a time. Make the beads that he will jump on and write the numbers. The frog is on 7. He will jump 10 in one go. That means he will be on 17 in the next jump and 27 in the another jump, then 37, then 47, similarly 57, 67 and 77. 3. Frog jumps again forward by 10 each time. Mark all the places where the frog will land. The frog is at 23. If he jumps 10, then he will be at 33, then 43, 53, 63 and 73. Okay, if he jumps in 10. 4. The grasshopper jumps backward by 10 each time. Mark all the beads that the grasshopper will jump on and write numbers. The grasshopper is at 76. He is jumping in backward direction. That means he will be at 66, then 56, then 46, then 36, then 26, then 16, then 6. Some ants are carrying big leaves to their homes. They will eat these leaves in the rainy season. Nani Maa can tell how many ants there are without looking under the leaves. Can you also tell how many ants there are under the leaves? Fill the answer in the boxes provided. Here, fourth one, here, 26th one. That means how many ants are hidden here? 26 minus 4, that is 22. Similarly, the ant here is 51st one and here 66th one. That means 66 minus 51 means 15. 15 ants are hidden under this leaf. Similarly, here 72 and here 84. That means 84 minus 72, that is 12 ants are hidden here. Fifth, fill in the tables by jumping as instructed. Jump 5. 34 plus 5, 39. 56 plus 5, 61. 61 plus 5, 66. 82 plus 5, 87. Jump 6. 28 plus 6, 34. 59 plus 6, 65. And 65 plus 6, 71. Similarly, 67 plus 6, 73. Jump 9. 29 plus 9, 38. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. And 30 plus 9, 39. Similarly, 84 plus 9, 93. Let us play, adding and subtracting smartly with the number grid. Let us play a grid game. Each player takes turns rolling 2 dice to make a 2-digit number and moves the counter by the number they have made. They can choose to move forward and backward. The first to reach a number between 91 and 100 is the winner. Teacher's note: encourage the children to add two numbers on the grid by playing the game. If you can't go forward, move backward. If none, roll again. Nandini is at 23. She has got 11 on the dice as the number. She thinks of two ways of moving to 34. Nandini is at 23 and she got 11 on the dice, on the two dice, like this. Okay, 1 and 1 on the, that makes 11. Then she has to move 11. She can move 11 just by moving 10 and then 1, or here 1 and then 10. She will get on to 34. You can see it here, 23 plus 10, 33, and 1, 34, or 23 plus 1, 24, and 10, 34. A jump from 23 to 34 is 11 steps. Chirag is at 19. He gets 54 on the dice. Chirag is at 19. He gets 54 on the dice. Then he will have to move 54 here. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then he will reach 73. Another way of doing that, he can move 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then moving 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Again he will get on to 73. Help him move his counter to the correct number. That means 19 plus 54 is equal to 73. You can split 54 into things, that is 50 plus 4 or 4 plus 50. That is 19 plus 50 plus 4 becomes 73. I have already shown how to reach 19 to 73 by adding 54 in both ways. 19 plus 4 then 50, that becomes 73. 1. Use the number grid to answer the following. Show your thinking by drawing arrows in the grid. A. Nandini is at 45. C gets 34. C will land on. Nandini is at 45. C gets 34. That means 10, 20, 30 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C will be at 79. Similarly, B. Chirag is at 75. He gets 56. He will land on. Chirag is at 75 here and he gets 56. He can't move in forward direction, then he have to move in backward. That is 56 minus. For first question, you have to add 45 plus 34. You will get 79. But for the second question, you can't add 56 to 75 as it becomes more than 100. So you have to subtract 56 from 75. That means you have to subtract 56, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 6 in backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That becomes 19. 19 will be the answer. C. Nandini is at 30. She gets 66. Then C will land on. That means 30 plus 66 becomes 96. You can do that. D. Chirag is at 89. She gets 63. He will land on. That means 89 minus 63. That means 26. Answer will be 26. You can do on the number grid and check it. Teacher's note. Introduce children to different words to express addition, more, added to, total, sum and subtraction, take away, difference, less, reduce, provide opportunities to children to make such jumps with other numbers and help them notice the pattern in the numbers. Magic sums. Nandini and Chirag find some puzzles that Nani Maa had solved. Observe the numbers. What do you notice? Observe this puzzle. You will see adding this direction and this direction gives 15, 10 and 20 and adding in this direction, that is upside down, will give 17, 7 and 21. Fill the boxes below. In each puzzle, all numbers 1 to 9 are there. The numbers in each row add up to the number in the box on the right. The number in each column add up to the number on the box below. 8 plus 4 plus what should be there to make 18? 8 plus 4, 12 and 6. Similarly, 1 and 4 makes 5 and 2 makes 7. Similarly, 5 and 2, 7 and 9, 16. Similarly, 9 and 6, 15 and 15 and 7, 22. Similarly, 7 and 1, 8, 8 and 3, 11. Similarly, you can do this puzzle also. 7 and 4, 11, 11 and 7, 18. Here is 7, so here will be 0, here will be 0. Similarly, 3 here and 12 here, that means 9 should be here. And 5 here, here should be 10. For this question, Uh, let's add 6 and 9, that means 15. 15 and 8 is equal to 23. Similarly, you can write, for example, suppose if you write here 2 and 2, that means you have to write here something else. Suppose I write here 5, then 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 5, 12, and here should be 9 and 5, 14, 14 and 2, 16, then here should be 6. Okay, you can add and check. Add the numbers in the blue boxes and the numbers in the red boxes. In each of the puzzle, what do you find? If you add these numbers, you will get 45. If you add these numbers, you will get 45. Adding these will give you 45. Adding these will give you 45. Similarly, here also you will get 45 and here also you will get 45. Nani Maa was doing something in newspaper. Nandini and Chirag looked into what she was doing. Nani Maa, what is so magical about this square? If you add these, you will get 15, then 15 here, then 15 here also. And in upside down, you will also get 15, 15 and 15. And diagonally, you will also get 15 from one corner to another. Magic, magic, magic. With numbers 1 to 9, add the numbers in a line from left to right and from top to bottom. Did you find the magic? Now try from right to left and from bottom to top. Isn't it magical? There is something more, something more. Add the numbers on the diagonal. Isn't it magical? For example, suppose here it is 3 given and I write here 7 and here 5. That means 3, 5, 8 and 7 will give you 15 in upside down. Similarly, 7 and 6 here 2 will give you 15 here. 9 and 5 will give you 14 and 1 will give you 15 here. Similarly, 9 and 2, 11, 11 and 4. Then 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 8 will give you 15 in this direction and in this direction also. And in this too. If you check it from one corner to another, you will get 15 in diagonally and 15 in this diagonal. Okay. Teacher's note. The teacher can create similar problems and challenge children with puzzles. Nandini and Chirag went to their Nani Maa's field. Nani Maa has two fields. Nani Maa has plucked 25 red radishes and 36 white radishes. How many total radishes has she plucked? Nandini starts by drawing the problem on the ground. Red radish 25, white radish 36. Estimate the total number of radishes. We need to add 25 and 36 to get the total number of radishes. I will add using bundles and sticks. Chirag says 25 red radishes, 2 bundles of 10 and 5. 36 white radishes, 3 bundles of 10 and 6. 25 red radishes, 36 white radishes equal to, let's count, here 25, here 36. That means 2 tens and 3 tens makes 5 tens. That means 50 and 5 here and 5 here. 5 and 5, 10. That means 6 bundles of 10 or 50 and 10, that is 60. and 1 is remaining, so 61. Total number of radishes will be 61. 25 plus 36 is equal to 61. See how I do it on the number line. Nani says, here 25, then 5, that is 30, then 10, then 10, then 10, and 1. That means 5 and 10, 15 and 10, 25, then 10, 35 and 1, 36. From here to here, 36 has been added to 25. It gives 61. 60 and 1, 61. Find other ways of solving the same problem on the number line. For moving 36 ahead of 25, you can add 40 to 25, that is 65. 40 added here, 25 plus 40 gives 65, and you can move as 36 is equal to 40 minus 4. So you can move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 in backward direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That will give you 61. Okay, 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. Again you will get 61. Nani Maa puts tomatoes and carrots in a box and writes 100 on it. Nandini says, I remember she had put 65 tomatoes. Chirag says, we need not count the carrots. Nandini draws the given problem, 65 tomatoes like this, and what should be the number of carrots to make it 100. Your estimation of carrots around more than 30, okay, more than 30, that could be 35 also. Let's count. Circle the bundles and sticks that shows the correct number of carrots. Okay, let's count. You can do this problem using Ginladi. Let's do it. For getting 100 from 65, that is 65, then 10, 75, then 10, 85, then 10, 95, and then 5. Okay, that means 10, 20, 30, and 5. That means 35 is the correct answer. You have to move 35 from 65 to get 100. That means this one is the correct answer. Solve the above problem on the number line 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 65 is here, 10, 20, 30 and 5. You can do like that. That means 35 added to 65 will give you 100. That means 65 tomatoes and 35 carrots, total 100 vegetables. 65 plus 35 is equal to 100. 65 tomatoes taken out from a box of 100 vegetables leaves 35 carrots, or 100 minus 65 is equal to 35. If you take 65 out of 100 carrots, you will get 35, or if you take 35 carrots out of 100 vegetables, you will get 65 tomatoes. Teachers note, encourage children to share their thinking behind their estimates and answers. Nani Maa asked Nandini and Chirag to pluck the ripe apples. Oh, so many of them. I collected 85 apples. Nandini says. I plucked 67 apples. Chirag says. Let us see how many total apples we have collected. Draw the box diagram for the problem below. 85 apples of Nandini's and 67 apples of Chirag. That means how much it will become after adding. Hint, 80 and 20 is 100. So they would be more than 100 in all. This is the box diagram. Let's do using bundles and sticks. For 85 apples, 8 bundles and 5 sticks. For 67 apples, 6 bundles and 7 sticks. Let's add them. 8 and 6 tens become 140. That is 8 and 6, 14, 140 sticks. Then 5 here and 5 from this will give you 10, that is 150, and 2 are remaining, that is 2. So 152, 150 and 2. How many apples in all? That is 152. Try finding out the answer on the number line below. Nandini is having 85 and Chirag 67. Then you have to move 67 in forward direction. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Then 5 and 2. That is 60 plus 5 plus 2. 85 and 60 will give you 145, and 5 will give you 150, and moving 2 in forward direction, that is 151 and 152. 85 apples, 67 apples will give you 152 apples. 85 plus 67 is equal to 152. Who collected more, Nandini or Chirag? How much more? Chirag draws a box diagram for the problem. Nandini is having 85 apples, but Chirag is having less one, that is 67. Then how much less? Let's count. Here 85 of Nandini's and Chirag's 67. Let's subtract it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 2 bundles and 5 sticks are remaining. That means that is 25 are remaining, and you have to remove 7 out of them. You can't remove 7 from these 5 sticks, so you have to open one bundle. That means 15 sticks will be there. If you open this one, then 15 sticks will be there. 15 minus 7, 15 minus 7 will give you 8. Okay, 8 and 1 bundle. 1 bundle and 8 sticks, that is 18. How much more? That is 18 more. You can do that like that, or you can do in another way like this. Here 25 are remaining and you have to subtract 7. That means 25 things in out of 25 things, 7 if removed, 18 remains. You can do it on Gilnadi too. Nandini's apple, Chirag's apple. If you subtract Chirag apples from Nandini's apple, you will get 18 apples. Nandini is having 18 apples more. Nandini collected 18 apples more than Chirag. Teacher's note: create more such word problems. Allow children to draw and solve them using locally available materials. Solve the following problems by first drawing the box diagram. Use matchstick bundles or a number line to find the answer. 1. Bubbly Didi sold 34 books on Monday and 45 books on Tuesday. How many books did she sell in the 2 days? How many more did she sell on Tuesday than on Monday. In 2 days, she sold 34 plus 45. You can do that on Gilnadi. You will get 79. And the difference between 45 and 34 is 11. 2. In a cricket match at Rosary School, Team Red made 56 runs before lunch and 65 runs after lunch. How many total runs did they make? That means you have to add 56 to 65. They made 121 runs. You can do that on Gilnadi or number grid or using matchsticks bundles. Okay. 3. Rama sells vadas in school canteen. She has sold 39 vadas the first day. She sold 12 more the next day. How many vadas did she sell in these 2 days? That is 39 plus 12, 51. You can do that on Gilnadi. 4. Gehu brings 56 plants for her terrace garden. Some plants dried up. She is left with 29 plants. How many plants dried up? That means 56 minus 29. That is equal to 27. Kindly match your answers. 5. Choose two numbers. Make a word problem using the two numbers. Share it with your classmates. Let us play. This game is to be played between two children. The first player should say a number between 1 and 10. The second player adds a number between 1 and 10 to the first player's number. The first player again adds a number between 1 and 10 to the previous sum. The player to reach 100 first is the winner. An example is given here. Player 1 wins this round. Player 1 says 9, player 2 says 10, that is 9 added to 10 gives you 19. 19 added to 8 gives 27, 27 added to 9 gives 36, 36 plus 10, 46, 46 plus 8, 54. Similarly, the game goes on. At last, the player 1 says 10 and the sum becomes 100. Okay, so the player 1 is winner of this round. Play this game with your friends. Let us do 1. Estimate the answer and say if it will be more or less than 100. Match with the correct one. 150 minus 50 is 100. So 150 minus 49 is more than 100. Nandini says 134 minus 56 is less than 100. 20 plus 41 is less than 100. 150 minus 49 is more than 100. 199 minus 90 is more than 100. 70 plus 30 plus 1 is more than 100. 156 minus 65 is less than 100. Similarly, 68 minus 26 is less than 100. 95 plus 10 plus 5 is more than 100. 190 minus 80 is less than 100. It hasn't already been matched. 63 plus 26 is less than 100. And 124 plus 23 plus 20 is more than 100. 2. Solve the above problem using number line. Write the answer next to the problem. For example, 134 minus 56. 134 will be here minus 56. For example, you move 6 here, then you will move to 128 and then 50. 118, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. You will get 78. That is 56 is subtracted from 134. Similarly, you can do this problem 20 plus 41. Here is 20. You have to add 41 to 20. 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 1. You will get 61. That is 20 and 41 will give you 61. And 134 minus 56 will give you 78. Similarly, for bigger numbers, you can use this number line. For example, 124 plus 23 plus 20. 124 is here, plus 23 plus 20. 124 plus 10, 134, then 144, okay, plus 10 plus 10, and then you have to add 23. So 144, then here will be 1, 2 and 3, that is 145, 146, 147, and then you have to move 20 ahead, that is 157 and 167. The answer will be 167. Teacher's note: please note that the number line can start from any number. The distance between two numbers can be changed as required. Children can also work with open number lines without maintaining equal distances between two numbers. They should be asked to write the jumps they are taking on the number line. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.